Okay, what I'm doing here now is it kind of got stuck in there a little bit. So. All right. Excuse me. Welcome back, everyone. I'm glad that you stopping by to check this out. I put a log on here. I'm just going to round it off. Thinking about making my first vase ever, but if nothing else, let's just round this off and get. I can only get to 223. Whew. I'm gonna have to get that in the chuck quick. All right, I'm gonna try to put a tenon on this side. I'm getting one bite anyways. All right, this is gonna be fun to get down. I don't know about that, folks. We'll see. I'm gonna put it on. We'll see what happens. Take it real easy with this. Santa came early for me this year. Got me a little new M42 razor edge bow gouge. I used it just very little bit, and yeah, I like this thing. Let's see what it does on this. Let me try that. Yeah, I'm only going 240, 250. I'm lucky. That's if I take too big of a bite and it slows down. Shaving's coming off. All right, one side, two sides. All right, that's good. I can start getting them going in. Get this rounded. This is going to be my top, so I want to make this the big side. I got a lot of stuff to get off this thing first. Alright, let's get this new bow gouge. Gonna test run, see how this thing's going to do here. Let's see what my speed's at. Maybe I can get lucky and increase it some here. Here's 390, so let's see how that does for a bit. Alright. Let me go grab my other little sharpen up all kinds of weird ways, and because this thing loves tearing through stuff. All right, turn up a little bit here. 460 is a little shaky, so we'll leave it at that. I'll tell you, for a tool that I really goofed up on, as you can tell, the tips ain't nothing. But this thing, once it's sharpened, she'll get in there and just start eating away at them boys. Alright, getting there. I'm trying to work this a little bit. This part is going to go in. And through the maybe? We'll see. Alright, I'm up to 530. Getting there. All right, that's looking good. All right, and scrape that down some more. All right, get some scraping in here. Yeah, she's coming along. Don't think I'll get it all done tonight, but she's coming along. That went good. All right, you see it's got some chunks out of her, so I gotta clean this up. All right, that's looking good. Not too bad. A little more work up here. Alright, so I can come up from here and then go in to start gutting it out. That's pretty much what I want. So, alright folks, I'm gonna call it quits for the night. Okay, what I'm doing here now is it kind of got stuck in there a little bit, so I want to try to tighten this on there and take it off. See what happens here. Ouch. Ugh. Yeah, make sure you clean out your stuff. You don't want to get stuck in there. Let's see how far I've gotten so far. Woo! I'm about halfway down that thing. So I need to really, I gotta go all the way to the tip of this and then gut it out and then go down some more and I'll be where I need to be at. Yeah, this will be interesting. I've never done a vase like this. Full hollow. All right, let's get this little guy a little closer here. Put you right there. All right, I'll leave it at this for now and gut it out. See what happens. Start out with my trusty Rusty, my bowl gouge. I love this thing. I get dressed up here, all excited though. All right. All right, let's see what day 2 gets us. Yeah, that's quick and easy going. And I'm spinning at 850, so it's got a good speed going to it. See if I turn it down a little bit, it'll stop it from bouncing so much. going. I'll bring it to about here, and then I'll start worrying about the, you know, getting along the side and stuff. So let's say get it about here. Let's see, make my little mark. Gives you an idea of what I want. That's all to go out. You know, it's to hollow itself into here. I gotta find out the measurement to this and the bottom. Make sure I don't overdo it. All right, let's keep going. It's gonna probably be a couple days of digging. All right, here we go. You know what? Let me go ahead and let me take a break here for a second here. I want to take a look at something here. All right, so hang on. I'll be back.